everyone, and welcome back to a brand new episode of Gobbledygook. Today, I bring to you a rich and fiery red delicacy, ghee roast. The roast in ghee roast is a misnomer because the dish really has nothing to do with an oven. But it's so called probably because of the way the meat is slow cooked or roasted for hours. I'll show the recipe with mutton today, but you can make it with chicken, crab, prawn, eggs, or even paneer. Let's get cooking. First, let's heat some ghee in a pan. Add ginger and garlic paste. Saute until the raw flavor goes away. Add the mutton pieces and lightly toss them until the pink color changes to light brown. Add some turmeric powder and saute for a minute or so. Transfer the mutton pieces to a pressure cooker. Add enough water to cover the meat. Add salt to taste. Pressure cook until meat is tender. We needed about 8 whistles, but this may vary. Let the steam release by itself. Strain the mutton stock and set aside. Now let's make our ghee roast masala paste. First, we need to dry roast some ingredients. Keep the flame low so as not to burn the spices. Add ginger and garlic and toss those as well for a minute. Set roasted spices aside and let cool. Add the roasted ingredients in a mixer. Add tamarind juice and lime juice. I have here some Byadgi chilies that I soaked overnight in warm water. I'm adding these chilies to the mixer along with about 3 tablespoons of the chili water. Add salt to taste. Blend to a fine paste and keep aside. Add some ghee to a pan. Saute some cashew nuts until golden brown and set them aside. Now add the ghee roast masala paste and saute for about 2 minutes. Add some well-beaten yogurt. Make sure the flame is set to the lowest, else yogurt will split. Keep stirring until oil oozes out. Add the mutton stock. And while that cooks, here's some interesting trivia. The iconic ghee roast is said to have originated in a small town called Kundapur outside Mangalore in the state of Karnataka. The creator was Ravindranath Shetty, who was the owner of the Shetty Lunch Home. This is a pretty recent recipe. In fact, it was created less than 50 years back. The star ingredient of this dish is a type of chili called as Byadgi chilies. This is really an ancient Indian ingredient which has been used as a secret ingredient in recipes like sambar for hundreds of years. This chili is not just used for cooking, but because of its fiery red pigment, it is heavily used in the cosmetic industry, in nail polishes and lipstick, giving a whole new meaning to the term hot lips. Now, let's get on with our cooking. Keep stirring on medium flame until all the moisture has evaporated and all the oil is released. The gravy should turn dark in color at this point. Add some jaggery to balance the acidity from the tamarind and lime juice. This dish has a tangy taste. Add the cooked mutton pieces. Add some warm water to rehydrate the curry. Add a sprig of fresh curry leaves. Add some coriander powder. Sprinkle the roasted cashews to garnish. Ghee roast is all ready to tantalize your taste buds. Enjoy.